Hello and welcome back for yet another episode with the Picky Swede. Today we have this circular padlock. Pretty common in the US, not so common here in Sweden. But you can get this at Biltema here in Sweden, and it's the lock that comes with trailer locks here from that store. And the padlock itself has a 5 pin core with a typical Yale keyway, and it's almost like it's a Euro cylinder because the pins are downwards when you put the key in. Works like it should. If I open like this, I noticed that the shackle is basically free and not spring-loaded here, so you can move this independently from the plug when it's unlocked. Don't know if I can expose that in any way, but we will pick this beast. And just for interest, it's 69 millimeters wide and shackle is 9mm. Says here hardened, bit of a rust on it, and let's see if Biltema lies about the hardened shackles. Indeed they do. That's not hardened at all. I am not surprised. But hey, it didn't cost like anything. So, picking, how should we do? I believe that since the keyway is paracentric, I need a pretty aggressive hook like this one, and I'm gonna show you why. Let's illustrate it with this pinning tray. Imagine that this is the pin and the keyway and the warding starts around here. So I need to be able to reach up into each keyway to lift each of the pins. Otherwise, with a normal hook, like let's say this one, I wouldn't get the reach that I needed around here. So that's the challenge on this lock, to reach in the warding. And I think I'm gonna try to place it in my vise here, but let me do that and cut to when it had happened, because I'm gonna figure out some good configuration here with lights and camera angle. So we have our lock in the vise, and hopefully everything is good to go with camera angles and such. I will use my homemade top of keyway tension here. It's a modified bottom of keyway tension from the Southward kit if you're really interested in the details. Applying tension like this seems fine, and use our hook here. So, looking for binder here first. As I said before, I need to use the hook to reach into the warding to lift the pins. Sometimes the pick gets caught when exiting. No. Haven't found any security pins yet, but the warding is really really a challenge to get into. Okay, there's the second one. See if we want to come out and play. No. No, we went to third base. Come on, where's the... So cheap, but still pretty darn pick resistant. %50 is me getting stuck, and 50% is trying to lift the pins. No luck on the fifth one. Nothing on fourth either. Third, come on. Angle itself is pretty challenging as well, because I'm not, there we go, not used to having the lock laying down like this. And we got an open, no security pins whatsoever, only standard pins, but the big challenge here was getting into all the chambers with the pick. I got stuck a lot. And I even think I might have deformed it a bit. It's not as straight as it was when I started. And yeah, that's the circular padlock from Biltema, the correct Swedish pronunciation. Not so good if you want to lock up your trailer, mainly because the shackle says hardened, but clearly isn't, and not so pick resistant as one would want to. There are a lot better circular locks if you really want one of these. Also, there are other padlocks as well, like these guys, the Rook of 4, 1.5 kilos of pure monster padlock. But anyway, thank you for watching, and hit a comment below if you have any questions. Please hit like and subscribe. This is the Picky Swede.